Leader. Reason R. Tsar Nicholas II was under the strong influence of his wife Alexandra. A. Both A and R are correct. B. A is right, but R is not the correct reason. C. Both A and R are wrong. D. Right. R is right, but it has no relevance to A. Answer B. A is right, but R is not the correct reason. Question 6. Assertion A. The League of Nations would apply the principle of collective security. Reason R. It was supported by Italy, Japan, and Germany. A. Both A and R are correct. B. A is right, but R is not the correct reason. C. Both A and R are wrong. D. R is right, but it has no relevance to A. C. Both A and B are wrong. Match the following. Question 1. Match the column 1 with column 2. Answer A 4, B 5, C 1, D 2, E 3. Question 2. Match the column 1 with column 2. Answer A 4, B 1, C, V, D 2, E 3. Answer the following questions briefly. VI. Question 1. What was the aim of the capitalist countries? Answer. The aim of the capitalist countries was to produce more and more. The surplus wealth that was produced was used to build more factories, railways, steamship and other such surrounding undertakings. What is colonialism? Colonialism refers to the policy of acquiring and maintaining policies, especially for exploitation. It also means that it is a relationship between an indigenous majority and a minority foreign invaders. Question 3. What was the immediate cause of the First World War? Answer. The nephew and heir to Franz Joseph, Emperor of Austria-Hungary, the Archduke Franz Ferdinand was killed by Princip Serbian of Bosnia. This was the intermediate cause as Austria got help from Germany and Serbia got help from Russia. Thus, the war began in 1914. Question 4. How did China become an international colony? Answer. The Boers were defeated by foreign powers. 1. 2. When they reached Peking, the capital of China, Empress Dowager fled from the capital. 3. The USA and England formulated the open door policy or Me Too policy. 4. The Chinese territories were partitioned among the foreign powers for trade nights. Thus, China became an international colony. Question 5. What do you understand by Paris Peace Conference? Answer. The Paris Peace Conference held in January 1919, 2 months after the signing of the armistice. Woodrow Wilson of America and Lloyd George of Britain were the important personalities. On 28 June 1990, the peace treaty was signed the Hall of Mirrors at Versailles. What was the immediate cause of the First World War? In 1908, Austria annexed Bosnia and Herzegovina against the Congress of Berlin. Austrian Prince Francis Ferdinand and his wife were assassinated at Sarajevo on June 28, 1914. Austria sent an ultimatum to Serbia, but Serbia ignored it. So Austria declared war on Serbia on 28 July 1914. Write the slogans, question 7, raised by Lenin that attracted Soviet people. Answer. All power to the Soviets and bread, peace and land were the slogans raised by Lenin that attracted the Soviet people who were devastated by wartime shortages. Question 8. Write any two terms of the Treaty of Versailles. Answer. A huge war indemnity was imposed on Germany. Her army was reduced. The overseas possessions of Germany were divided among the. Write any two objectives of the League. Answer. Question 9. Victorious nations. The two main objectives of the League of Nations was to avoid war and to maintain peace in the world. Second, to promote international cooperation in economic and social affairs. First one. Question 10. What do you mean by Russian Revolution? Answer. The fall of monarch in February 1917 and the events of October are known as the Russian Revolution. Question 11. What is Duma? Why did the Tsar dismiss the first Duma within 75 days of its election? Answer. An elective legislative assembly established in 1905 by Nicholas II in Russia is known as Duma. Because the Tsar did not want anyone to question his authority, so he dismissed the first Duma within 75 days. Answer all the questions under each caption. Characteristics of imperialism. 1. A. What led to concept of imperialism? Answer. Capitalism inevitably led to the concept of imperialism. What was Lenin's idea on imperialism? Answer. According to Lenin, imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism. C. What were the purposes for which the colonies were made use of? Answer. The colonies served as market for goods and also vast supplies of raw materials like cotton, rubber, etc. Never sets in the British Empire. 3. Naval battles. Name the naval battle that took place in 1916. What was the logic behind imperialism apart from colonization? Answer. The logic behind imperialism apart from colonization was total militarization and total war. The ambition of Germany. Who was the ruler of Germany during the First World War? D. A. Kaiser William II. Answer. B. What did he believe? Answer. He believed that Germany alone was competent to rule the whole world. C. What would not be tolerated by him? He would not tolerate the British saying that the sun. Answer. In 1916, the naval battle has taken place in North Sea called as Battle of Jutland. Which country started the submarine warfare thereafter? Answer. Germany started the submarine warfare thereafter. B. C. Name the ship that bombarded Madras. Answer. The ship that bombarded Madras was the famous Emden ship. D. Name the American ship torpedoed by a German submarine. Answer. Lusitania, an American ship, was torpedoed by the German submarine. 4. Course of the First World War. A. Give the duration of the First World War. Answer. From July 28, 1914 to November 11, 1918. Who were called the Central Powers? B. Answer. The countries which were on the side of Germany were called the Central Powers. C. Who were called the Allies? Answer. The countries which were on the side of Britain were called as the Allies. D. What and will were used in war? Answer. Artillery, tanks and submarines were used in the war. 5. Lenin. A. Where was he born? Answer. Lenin was born in 1870 near the Middle Volga to educated parents. Where what is belief? B. Answer. Lenin believed that the war of freedom was mass action. C. When and why was he arrested? Answer. He was arrested in 1895 and kept in Serbia for encouraging the ideas of Marxism to the factory workers in St. Petersburg. D. How did he form the Bolshevik party? Answer. Lenin gained the support of small majority called Bolsheviki, known as Bolsheviks, which later became the Bolshevik party. 6. Results of the war. A. How were the terms of the treaties drafted? Answer. Based upon the 14 points of the American President Woodrow Wilson. What did Germany surrender to France? Answer. B. Germany surrendered Alsace and Lorraine to Europe. C. Where was monarchy abolished? Answer. In Germany, Russia, Austria and Turkey. D. Name the new republics. Answer. Slovakia and Poland. VIII. Answer the following detail. Question 1. Write a note on the structure and composition of its League of Nations. Answer. The Covenant of the League of Nations was formed at the Paris Peace Conference after the First World War. President of USA, Woodrow Wilson, largely supported for his task to be accomplished. The structure of the League consists of the Assembly 1 to 3, the Council, the Secretariat, the Permanent Court of Justice, and the International Labour Organization. Each member country was represented in the Assembly. 4. Each member's country and had one vote. 7. The Council was the executive of the League and also possessed the right of veto. Britain, France, Italy, Japan and the United States were already declared permanent members of the Council. The staff of the Secretariat 8 was appointed by the Secretary General in consultation with the Council. 9. The Court of Justice consists of 15 judges. 10. The International Labour Organization comprised the Secretariat. The General Conference will include 4 representatives from each country. 11. The first Secretary General of League of Nations was Sir Eric Dumont from Britain. Question 2. What were the results of the First World War? Answer. The Paris Peace Conference. 1. The First World War came to an end by the Paris Peace Conference of 1919. 2. The city of Danzig was internationalized. D. Lithuania, Latvia, and Czechoslovakia were granted independence. The formation of the League of Nations. 1. The First World War brought untold miseries to the people. All the nations wanted a permanent body to maintain peace in the world, so the League of Nations was formed in 1920. 3. The victorious nations posed the defeated warriors. Nations with unfair treaties. It sowed the seed for the Second World War. Question 3. What was the impact of First World War on India? Answer. 1. The First World War has multiple effects on the Indian economy, society and politics. 2. Indians have taken an active part in the war on the side of Britain, believing that it would reward independence after the war. 3. But also disappointment was rewarded to the Indians, for Indian soldiers asked to serve in the people, Africa and West Asia. 5. India contributed Euro 230 million in cash and over 125 euros million in loan towards war expenses. 6. India also sent war materials to the value of Euro 250 million. 7. There were economic distress all over the country. 8. Towards the end of the war, India suffered under the worldwide epidemic of influenza. 9. Home rule movement arose in India due to the war conditions. 10. The Congress built of extremists and moderates reunited. 11. The Ottoman Empire under the Turkish Sultan was defeated in World War I and the territories shared between Britain and France. 12. This led to the formation of Khilafat movement in India.